Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. The summer season is hot and humid, but the best part of summer is the availability of variety of seasonal fruits, and our favorite is the mango. So today we will share with you a recipe that will definitely be relished by all mango lovers. Hi, my name is Laddie, and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to make a delicious mango sweet dish using fresh ripe mangoes and homemade curd. Our recipe for today is deliciously thick and creamy Mango Shrikhand. Step 1. Preparing the hung curd. Take a bowl and place a strainer on top of it, making sure the strainer doesn't touch the inside bottom of the bowl. Place a cotton, muslin or cheesecloth on the strainer. You will need 2 cups of curd, which will be placed in the strainer. To learn how to make curd, watch our thick and creamy homemade curd recipe. The link for this video is available at the top right hand corner of your screen now. We have also provided this link in the description box. We need to strain the curd to remove all the liquid or whey from the curd. We need to tie the cloth securely to prevent the curd from falling out from the cloth. I've inserted a stick in between the knots to enable us to hang the cloth with curd on a bowl or utensil so that the cloth doesn't touch the drained liquid. Hang the curd in room temperature for around 1 to 2 hours and place it in the fridge overnight. The more you drain the liquid, the better will be the texture of the Shrikhand. Hung curd after draining out all the liquid. Save the liquid which is drained out of the curd. This liquid is called whey and has lots of nutritional benefits. This whey can be used while preparing soup, chapatis, rotis, curries, etc. Hung curd is ready. Step 2. Preparing the mango puree. Select one alphonsomango or a similar type of mango which is pulpy and doesn't have any fibers. Remove the skin, discard the seed and cut the mango into pieces. Add the mango pieces in a mixer grinder. Grind it nicely without adding any water to make a fine puree. Half cup of mango puree is ready. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 4 tablespoons of sugar powder or fine sugar. Sugar powder can be made by grinding sugar in a dry mixer. Half teaspoon of green cardamom powder or elaichi. 1 pinch of salt.
Hello everyone. We would like to introduce our new channel, Get Cooking Global, where we share restaurant-style Indian and international recipes in the same detailed, step-by-step recipe style that you've seen on Get Cooking Now. So, if you love restaurant-style dishes and want to prepare them at home, then you must definitely check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global. The link for our new channel is provided in the description box, or simply mention Get Cooking Global in your comment and we will send you the link. Now, let's continue with our recipe.
Step 4. Preparing the Mango Shrikhand. Place the hung curd in a bowl. Add the green cardamom powder or elaichi. Add the mango puree in batches. Do not add everything in one go. Whisk or beat it until it becomes smooth and creamy. Add a little more mango puree now. Whisk it nicely. Add sugar powder or fine sugar along with a pinch of salt. Add the remaining mango puree. Whisk it nicely. Taste and add extra sugar powder if required. Refrigerate the Mango Shrikhand for at least 2 hours before serving. This will make it nice and thick. Keeping it overnight in the refrigerator will make it much more thicker. Our thick and creamy, delicious mango shrikhand is ready. Garnish the shrikhand with chopped almonds or pistachios. Enjoy this thick and creamy, delicious mango shrikhand with nice hot puris, or simply relish it as a sweet dish.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.